Hello everyone, I am Kishan Vivi and this is my project titled Student Login and Registration System. This is the basic web application that allows the user login and register and login to access the home page. And then project overview. Objective is to build a simple system for user registration and login using Java and MySQL. The features are user registration with the username and password. Then it is also validate the login verification and homepage access, the invalid login handling. Then project workflow. First, user register with username and password. Then the user data is stored in a MySQL database. User login using user credential. That user credential are valid. It is redirect to the home page. Otherwise, the user credential is invalid. It is redirect to the error page. My project is having some more modules, so front-end HTML pages and back-end Java servlets. For front-end, register page, login page, home page, and error page. In back-end, register class, then login class. Then some technologies are used in for front-end, HTML and CSS. For back-end, Java servlet and JDBC. JDBC is connect to the MySQL databases. Then server is Apache Tomcat and IDE is Eclipse. So we move on to the Eclipse. This is the my project folder. Project is, and this is having some two classes, login and register, and these are all the HTML pages. When we execute the my application, first it is login page. Login page, it contains username and password. Then then one button also is login button and a register button. When we click the login button, it is redirect to the login. Otherwise, when it is a new there is a new user. When you click the button or register, it is go to the register page. In this register page contains username and password. First user is enter the username and password. Then when you click the button or register, it is redirect to the register page. In this register servlet class, using do post method, then that get parameter method is used for read the data from the web application, and this is the code for connecting the MySQL databases. And then when we click the button register, it is moved to the login.html page. In login.html page, it is also containing username and password. User entered valid username and password, then click the button login. It is reader to the login. Then it is also using get parameter. It is reading the data from the application, and JDBC code for connecting the MySQL databases. So the user credential are valid. It is moved to the home page. Otherwise, it is moved to the error.html. We using get request dispatcher for this action. So we execute my program application, saving. We use Tomcat server for run this application. This takes some few minutes. Nice. When the user already registered, so he's entered some data, username and password, login. This shows the invalid credential. Please check and try again because the user is not registered. So first user is registered. So register, name and password, register. So it is come to the login page. So enter same data and password. So login. So it is access the home page. This is my project using Servlet and MySQL. Thank you for watching.